What's going on, folks? It's Dalton Wildwood, Dalton Wildwood Adventures Pool Sessions, and in this episode we're going to learn proper skimming techniques. I got this cool little skimmer here from the 99-cent store, or just 99-cent deals or something like that. But anyway, I think it cost 97 cents, so I got a deal on it. But anyway, a lot of people want to know, how do you properly use a skimmer? So as you can see, it's got a little fancy net thing hanging here. This is where the stuff goes in when you skim it. And let's find something we can skim here. Here we go. There's a leaf. Here we go. Watch this. Scoop it in. See how it just sits in the little basket thing there? It's pretty neat, huh? Let's find something else we can skim out. Alright, here we go. There's some more stuff. Let's go more in the sun. Here we go. I don't know. Oh, here's a little red flower. Don't want that in the pool. That's right. See how I just kind of smoothly go in? Oh, here's some little seed pods. Look at that, how it just goes right in. There's another one. Boom. Look at that. Small thing. Boom. Oh, we got a bunch of little leaves over here. Technique. It's all in the technique. See how I'm kind of flicking my wrist? Boom. Boom. Flowers in the net. In the net. Anyway, see, I got a lot of cool stuff in there. A lot of little treasures. And so if you want to learn how to do this, just watch this video over and over again, because it's all on the wrist and the technique. So I hope you enjoyed this little how-to with Dalton Wildwood Adventures. Pro you, and peace out.